Welcome to our ultimate gaming motherboard face-off. Today, we're comparing two heavyweights in the world of PC gaming: the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi and the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A gaming Wi-Fi. Both motherboards are designed to support the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, but they come with different features and price points. We'll break down their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is priced at $219, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A, which retails for $249. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for great value without sacrificing performance. In terms of VRM performance, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A features a more robust power delivery system, which is crucial for stability during overclocking. The MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, while still good, does not offer the same level of power management, making the ROG Strix a better choice for high-end builds. Audio quality is another important factor. The ASUS ROG Strix B650-A comes equipped with advanced audio features, including the ALC4080 codec, providing a superior sound experience. In contrast, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi offers standard audio capabilities, which may not satisfy audiophiles looking for top-tier sound quality. In conclusion, both the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi and the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A gaming Wi-Fi have their strengths and weaknesses. The MSI board offers excellent value for money, while the ASUS board provides superior features for those willing to invest more. Consider your budget and performance needs when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.